It took me 1 year, one good year, to study some channels that earn reasonable amount of money. And in this video, I'm going to tell you some things that are peculiar to these channels, some common things about these channels, which will help you to earn reasonable amount of money as well from your channel once you understand these and then apply them to your own YouTube channel. All right. The number one is that these channels have stayed on YouTube platform for years, nothing less than 5 years. All right. So if you have been this kind of person that have been here for just barely 2 years, and you are worried that you don't even get up to $100 in a month, I will tell you that YouTube platform is in most cases not designed in that way. It's designed in a way that is a platform for people that are knowledgeable about what they teach and that are willing to stay there dishing out content on the area of professionalism to the audience, targeted audience. And in turn, YouTube reward them by making them earn a lot from the platform. Now, let's take a look at some successful YouTube channels. How long they have been on the platform, all right, that makes them make reasonable amount of money. The number one on the list is Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is one of the top earners on YouTube, and this guy have been on the platform for over 12 years dishing out content. So you that is here for barely 1 year and you are angry that you're not making a lot of money, listen, the system does not work this way. All right? As I said, most of this channel have been on this platform for over 5 years. Number two is Rian's World. All right? Rian's World have been here for over 9 years and she's still creating to today. So look at this and you ask yourself, have I been here for this number of years creating content? Then you tell yourself the reason why you are not doing well or you're not earning enough or something reasonable at this stage. Then DoorDash, who went viral sometime last year in 2024, has been on this platform for over 5 years creating content without giving up until YouTube decided to smile at her. So, with this sample, you know that it's not about I want to get the money first, but another factor you have to consider is how long you have stayed here. The next on the list is my personal mentor, who does not know that he is my mentor, known as Kelvin Stratvat. He does tutorial on software, all right, and how to use some gadgets, all right. And he has been here for over 9 years creating content and making money. He has landed a lot of brand deals so far for some years. He has been on this platform and still making reasonable amount of money from YouTube advertisement, all right. Then the next on the list is Dude Perfect. He does challenges and he has been on this platform for over 50 years. So, as a person creating content on YouTube who does not understand how the system works, YouTube wants you to stay here dishing out content so that they will know that you're a professional in what you do or you have something to offer to their audience. And because of that, they will reward you with good amount of money over time. So don't be in a haste that I want to make quick money here. This is not a place to make quick money. You have to stay here, make impact before you see something reasonable in return. Another point is that the channels have been consistent on the platform for years, all right? They have been consistent on the platform, dishing out content. Are you the type of person that will publish 5 videos this week and go on break for more than 3 months? You're not being consistent. All right. When you do this, it says signal to YouTube that you're not a serious person on the platform. So they have been consistent on the platform for years. All right. They have been uploading every week. All right. You may not do that every day, but if you have the strength to do that every day, good and fine. But that me here, dishing out content, no week passes without them dropping one or two videos on their YouTube channel. That is consistency for years. Consistency for years. So one thing is to be consistent, but how do you move these your consistencies? All right. Do you produce video today or this week and go on strike for 6 months? When you come back after 6 months, you push maybe 20 videos at once. No, that's not being consistent. Okay. So you have to be consistent every week. Show up here. That is one thing that is common about these successful YouTubers who have been making some money from this platform, reasonable amount of money. By reasonable amount of money, I'm not saying that you may do thousands of dollars. If you can be doing $500 every month, it's something reasonable amount, all right? So if you want to find yourself in this category of people that make reasonable amount of money from YouTube, you have to be showing up every week for years. Then YouTube will at the end reward you. Somebody like Kevin Stratford, no week passes without Kevin Stratford pushing out one or two videos. I've been following him for a lot of years, for more than 6 years now, and I know he has been doing a great job. So if you understand this trick and apply it, being consistent for years, then you will make money in return. Another point or another thing about this, I found out about these successful YouTubers that are earning money on the platform is that they have accumulated a lot of videos over the years. Yes, I'm using years because I don't want you to feel like this is a platform where you make money just in days. All right. So they have accumulated a lot of videos over the years. Okay. Number one, Ryan's World have uploaded over 3,000 videos, over 3,000 videos within her 9 years of stay on the platform. Rian was, yes, she had been dishing out content time over and over, back to back. All right, imagine what it means to have 3,000 videos on the platform. Even if each of the videos makes average of 2 cents, it's a lot of money in a month. So they have dished out, accumulated a lot of videos over the years of being consistent on the platform. Number two on the list here is Kelvin Stratford. He has over 1K videos, all right? Almost 1K videos for being on this platform. Then Mr. Beast has about 800 videos. That's a lot, all right? So they have accumulated videos, a lot of videos over the years. So if you want to make money here with time, then you have to follow their first step, all right? Then the next point is that they produce evergreen videos. Evergreen videos. Maybe you have not heard about this term before, evergreen. When we talk about evergreen, we mean something that applies over the years, that is still relevant over the years. Maybe I create a content like this today. In 5 years to come, is this still valuable? In 5 years to come, do people still search for how to make money as a YouTube content creator? And the answer is yes, it's evergreen. So, in respect to this, you see that even in years to come, those videos they have produced in the past still give them money. Somebody like Mr. Beast, he does challenge. In time to come, people still watch challenge. In 10 years to come, people still watch challenge. Kevin Stratford does tutorial on software. All right. In 10 years to come, people still want to learn how to use Microsoft Word. People still want to learn how to use Excel. People still want to learn how to use PowerPoint. People still want to learn how to use AI tools. These are evergreen content. So they're not going to fade out in few years to come. All right, so by the time they earn money from this, they earn money from that and accumulate everything, is a lot of money for them in a month. So if you're the type of person, maybe you do the kind of video, maybe you report news, you earn a lot of money just within the day, in years to come, in 2 years to come, will it still be valuable? Will that news still apply? Or it will be filtered down to the search engine, the bottom of the search engine, because people are no longer interested in it. Okay, so even if you report news, you can combine the two. All right, you talk about some trending things and still talk about your evergreen contents. That will make you stand out and make you a lot of money over the years. Okay, so these are the points I discovered about this channel. So if you can apply them, I believe you'll make money with time. But in all, don't be in a haste. You need to be here. If you don't have enough skills on how to create a particular content, please learn from others, watch videos, make researches, and then from the knowledge you gain from them, create your own video and make sure most of them are evergreen. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. All right, leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. Thank you. You can watch this video here to learn more on how to grow on YouTube and make more money. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.